There is this misconception that Pinterest is just a social media platform. Well, Pinterest is a search engine based on images instead of text. In this video, I'll be sharing how you can leverage on the Pinterest powerful search engine to make thousands of dollars monthly. To do this, you need a Pinterest account. I've already made a video about how you can get started. I'll be linking it in the description box below. You are welcome to my channel where I inform, educate, and entertain through a series of creative and valuable contents. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. Of all the items on the list that will help you to make thousands of dollars on Pinterest, leveraging on the Pinterest powerful search engine is to start a blog. To do this, you have to create a Pinterest account. I've already mentioned that earlier. Create a pin. A pin is an interesting image that shows what your blog post is all about. Then choose a niche. It could be fashion, makeup, food, finance, anything there is an audience for. Create content and post it on your blog. Monetize with it ads, an affiliate products, or even sponsored placements. The next way you can make thousands of dollars on Pinterest is to leverage on the Pinterest powerful search engine by using it to drive traffic to your e-commerce sites. The next one is through affiliate marketing, which entails that you partner with companies to promote their products or services with a unique link. Whenever anyone buys using your link, you get a commission. For a detailed video on affiliate marketing, check the description box below. Note that some companies don't allow you post their affiliate links on Pinterest. Some won't allow you to take images from their sites to be used when creating pins, even if you are an affiliate. An example is Amazon. Remember, when posting affiliate links, Pinterest does not want you to mask or shorten the affiliate link. They want you to be transparent. You always get to disclose your affiliate relationship. The next way you can leverage on the Pinterest powerful search engine to make thousands of dollars monthly is to become a Pinterest virtual assistant. This entails helping social media influencers and online business owners and even bloggers to optimize their Pinterest account. Some of your roles may include, but not limited to, creating pins, automating the pin process, doing keyword research, running promoted ads, using Tailwind for scheduling, creating sales funnels, and so on. Next is to teach people your Pinterest strategy. By leveraging your Pinterest knowledge, you can write courses or write ebooks. You can as well do online and offline coaching. The next way you can make thousands of dollars monthly, leveraging on the powerful Pinterest search engine, is to promote products you are using or wearing by creating shop the look pins. This way, whenever anyone clicks the little blue dots on an item you've tagged in your pin, see the item, make a purchase, you earn a commission. The next one is to learn a marketable skill from Pinterest, promote it, and start monetizing it. Some of these skills are calligraphy. You can learn calligraphy and get paid to make signs. You can start a podcast and monetize it. On Pinterest, you can also learn photography skills. Next is to work directly with a brand to create pins that promote the company's products. You can do this by joint promotion with a brand. All you have to do is to create awesome pins that include concept of the pin, photography, brand placement, and design of pin. You can also work with companies. They will pay you to create a bot for them on Pinterest. Aside the payment, you end up gaining some followers and views from people who are looking at companies that align with your personal brand and niche. The next one is to use SEO strategies to get found on Pinterest. Use SEO strategies so that people can be able to find your pins and bots. This will help you to be found on other search engines like Google. You can do this by using SEO strategies on your pins by adding keywords and links. Make the most of your About profile by using keywords people are searching for. The last but not the least, on how you can make thousands of dollars leveraging the Pinterest powerful search engine, is to sell your business to existing business owners. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. The link is in the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.